Daisy Christina was born on September 30, 1992 in Eindhoven, Netherlands. She is currently 28 years old. Her astrological sign is Libra. Daisy Christina was born and raised in Eindhoven, Netherlands. Watch the video to the end, I will be very grateful to you. She has Indonesian roots. She is based in New York, United States. Daisy Christina has been living in the United States since 2014. She started her modeling career in 2012. Daisy Christina has modeled for some clothing brands like Tiger Mist, Opali, Lounge Underwear, Fashion Nova Curve, Boohoo, Adore Me, Lovely Wholesale Official, Miss Lola Official, Shine Official, Rue 21 and many more. She is brand ambassador for Fashion Nova Curve. Daisy Christina is also a professional belly dancer, an Arabic expressive dance that emphasizes complex movements of the torso. In Instagram, Daisy Christina has attracted more than 450,000 followers to her eponymous Instagram account. Daisy Christina stands 5 feet 9 inches tall or 175 centimeters, she weighs 100 kilograms or 220 IBS.